Welcome to Sparkler Learning. My name is Dana Stewart and I am Sparkler's Education Director. Today, we're going to talk about how you can manage your program right in Sparkler's dashboard. You'll access the web-based dashboard by visiting app.playsparkler.com/dashboard/login and enter your email and password. If you are a designated site leader, you can manage your staff, your organization, or your families using the Administration tab in the dashboard. Before we dive in, it's useful to understand how organizations are structured in Sparkler. The highest level is the partner level. This is the city or state that is sponsoring Sparkler for your families. Within each partner, there are groups, which might be a geographical region like a county, or a type of program like all of the child care centers in the city. Within each group, you'll find many subgroups, which are usually programs like schools or family resource centers. And within each subgroup, you'll find the smallest level, a classroom, a playgroup, or home visiting cohort, etc. If you are a school leader, you'll be able to see your subgroup or school and be able to make changes to the cohorts or classrooms within your school. If you are a teacher, you'll only have access to the cohort or your classroom and be able to support families there. Now, let's get to work. Go back to the Sparkler dashboard and visit the Administration tab. Click Your Organization to see your subgroup. Notice in my example that Add a New Subgroup is light gray. I can't click on it. That's because this demo account has the access of a school leader. I can't add new subgroups, but I can add new cohorts. If you are the leader of a school or program, then you might have access to a Sparkler subgroup. That means that under your organization, you can add classrooms or cohorts within your program. Under your staff, you can manage your team, deciding who has access to the whole program and who has access to each individual classroom. And under your families, you can help your families get set up if they need extra support. Under Organization, click on the name of your subgroup or program to add, edit, or delete cohorts within your subgroup. Click Add New Cohort to add a new cohort. Just type in the name of your classroom. If you want to be able to give parents an access code so they can join the cohort themselves, you'll create it here. Just use letters and numbers, all one word, and enter it where it says code. This is totally optional. You can leave it blank if you want parents to sign up with your main existing code, and then you'll move children into the correct cohort or classroom or playgroup yourself. Contact emails are for the people who should receive an email notification when families complete a screening. If nobody at your program is responsible for following up with families after a screening, you can leave this blank. Remember to press Save, and now you've created a new cohort. Next, let's look at your staff. Go to Add New User to add a team member to your Sparkler account. This person will be able to access the Sparkler dashboard. Just type in the staff member's name, email address, and select the cohort to which they should have access. If you want, you can add additional staff members or make edits to existing members of the team. Remember to always pick the smallest amount of access. If someone has access to just one classroom, give them access to only that cohort and not the whole subgroup. You can click on a staff member's name in the future to archive people who leave your team, to edit, or help them reset their password. Now, let's talk about your families. Families download the Sparkler mobile app and can set up their accounts and add or edit children right in their settings. On the Your Families tab in your dashboard, you can press Add a New Family to add a new parent and child into Sparkler. With their consent, type in the grown-up's name, email address, and other details. Next, you'll add in the child's information. Be sure you select the right birth date because this is how Sparkler knows which screening and play content to display for the family. Choose one or more cohorts from the drop-down menu to add the child into the correct program or classroom. Review who the parent is consenting to share their information with, check the checkbox, and then don't forget to press save when you're done. If you need to make edits or add a sibling, just click on the adult's name to make changes. If you have questions, just click on the blue question mark available on each of the administration tabs to read through the FAQs.